Yes.
Al-Ihraf, okay, chapter number 46, verse number 12. What does it says? Let's just read it. It
Mm,
says, and before this there was a book to Moses.
mm,
وَمِن قَبْلِهِ, and before this there was a book, kitab, to
mm.
Musa. What? Imaman
Uh-huh.
wa rahmatan, which
Mm.
has the guide and
God.
the
Mercy.
mercy. Wahaza, haza, wahaza
So
means and. Wow stands for and.
what
Haza stands for this.
and this. Uh-huh.
Kitabun
That's a good-
musaddiqan linisanan Arabian. So now Allah is saying, before this there was a kitab to Musa which has the guidance and the rahmah. Correct?
Yes.
But this book is musaddiq. This book is musaddiq because it's in lisan Arabian, not because it's in Arabic language. Okay, so that those who are wrongdoers, you should guide them. Okay, okay, are you here with me? Everyone in the live stream, are you guys here with me? This is very important. I'm going to show you something. Quran chapter number 46 verse number 12, it uses two things. Before you there is a book to Musa which has the guidance and rahmah. Which has what? The guidance and rahmah. And right now, haza, this book, wahaza, this book, haza kitab, musaddiqan. Okay, now let's go to Quran, Surah Baqarah, ayah number, Surah Baqarah, Alif Lam Mim, Zalikal kitabu la rayba fi hudal lil muttaqin. This book, stupidity, idiotic, falsification,
Oh,
level of falsification that you can't even imagine.
that
Zalika means that. Okay,
that
thank you. If I mouse over, it's that.
that.
Zalika means that. So if this verse is talking about this book, means the Quran, it has to say Hazal Kitab,
Yeah.
because it is this book, just like it says over here. Wahazal Kitab Musad. This is the book which is Musaddiqan, confirming this is the book. So when Quran is talking about Zalikal Kitabu la Raiba Fi, it is talking about that book. Which book? Which has the Hudaya for the Muttaqeen. Let's look. Which has the Hadaya and Rahmah. Surah
Wow.
Baqarah, ayah number 2, is
Yeah.
not talking about Quran. Okay, there
Okay.
you go.
It worked. So
Okay,
here.
Zalik. Zalik means that.
Yeah.
See, can you see me? See? Okay, that. Yeah. When we talk about Zalik over here, which book Allah is talking about?
ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى yeah, that book,
Yeah,
you
which
know,
book is Allah talking about?
which there's no doubt
But Allah's Arabic was pretty bad. That, here's Jalalan, the early scholar, that
that
meaning
meaning
this.
this.
Now
Dude,
this is awesome, man. That meaning this.
you guys, this is Jalalain. This is no small potatoes. This is the big guys. And they're right there telling you that's almost as good as the sheikh that says Muni Muka. I put you
That meaning this, man. This is awesome. Like, I have never thought that I will live to see something like this. That meaning this. Oh. Let's look Al Tibri, because now I wanted to see what Tibri says. So Tibri says this as well. Oh my goodness, that's just so awesome. So it says Zalikal Kitab. It means Hazal Kitab.
Wow.
Man, these guys are trying to fix Allah's Arabic, man.
Wow.
Zalikal Kitab.
Wow.
Zalikal Kitab.
ذلك
Hazal Kitab.
ذلك الكتاب.
Oh, check this. Ibn Kathir. Zalikal Kitabu e Hazal Kitab. That is
You
Ibn Kathir.
you know what's so funny, Adam, is that I've heard about this for years, but I've never really taken it seriously. And the thing is, I still wasn't going to take it seriously until I saw that Ibn Kathir and Jalalain, both Ibn Kathir and the Jalalain, all are twisting this. They're all
Zalik means
covering this.
Haza. Man, I'm loving this, man. This is just so awesome.
Wow.
Zalik means haza.
Wow. ذلك الكتاب I had or you know when it says I means or this
Oh no, come read this. An zalik bamaini haza.
بمعنى هذا by meaning, okay, it says that but it means this.
This
Classic. This who is this? Ibn Kathir?
Ibn Kathir, man.
Yeah. In ذلك بمعنى هذا. He's saying that means this.
This.
That's what Ibn Kathir is saying. Dude, this is hilarious, man.
As-Sayyuti. Let's look at Sayyuti.
You
It's
too.
writing, but Sayyuti is writing after Ibn Kathir. He should say Zalika bamaina haza, probably. Zalik I haza. So he is actually taking the Ibn Kathir's narrative, because Ibn Kathir actually says Zalika means haza. So because Sayyuti is writing after Ibn Kathir. So
And
before Ibn Kathir.
you guys, these are big guns. These are very important.
Let's look at Baghvi. That is before Ibn Kathir. Let's see what he says.
I have a,
Hey, check this out first. Zalikal kitab, I hazal kitab. Lo, there you go.
So there
There
you
you
go.
go. So he is saying the same thing, that
Yes.
Zalikal kitab means I hazal kitab.
But bro, he's also given this little explanation that when it's close to you, he's saying when it's close to you, you say it's
Haza
this.
fi-
When it's far away, you say it's that book.
What happened to Allah Miah when he was writing Surah Cow? Ayah number 2. What happened there, man? Like seriously, what happened to Allah over here? Did he lose the language? The beauty of Jalalain in English, because we were laughing in when we were reading Arabic, because we could see these people in English has to see what it says. That means this.
That means this book. And you guys, the fact that it's Jalalain, you guys,
Not Jalalain, Baizuvi, Ibn Kathir, like all the Arabic, like they were like 6 or 7 that we guys, you gotta watch, you gotta go back, watch all the scholars which says that means this. Zalik means haza. Ibn Kathir. There is no doubt in Quran, okay. The book is the Quran, and Rab means doubt, etc., etc., etc. Where is La Raiba Fi? Where is Zalika? So in English version of Ibn Kathir, they removed Zalik al Kitab. They started from La Raiba Fi. So they removed half of the verse of the Tafsir of Ibn Kathir, and they started from La Raiba Fi.
wow, that is, that really is the better way.
Oh, it comes Zalik al Kitab. The
Here,
revelation of the
right
book.
here that says it. Revelation of the book. You see there again.
No, now he's talking about Alif
takes
Lam
away
Mim.
that.
Alif Lam Mim, they did not talk about this. They did not talk about this. They did not translate this, and they go for La Raiba. Fihi huda lil muttaqin. La Raiba fihi huda fi huda. So they are not even translating where Ibn Kathir is saying, because in Arabic it did say Zalika ay haza. But here they didn't even translated it. And that's why Ibn Kathir in English is so messed up. It doesn't give you the whole of the Ibn Kathir. It gives you whatever they wanted to give you. Ibn Kathir, Araz.
Right here, yeah, I got it.
It says here somewhere here.
Oh, I got it in. I got
it.
Yeah, here it is. The Arabic. Okay, ذلك الكتاب I had الكتاب. That book meaning this book.
Awesome. Ibn Abbas, Zalik al Kitab, I Hazal Kitab.
Wow.
And this is beautiful live stream. Okay, guys, I'm done. I think that's it for now.
This means that, and that means this. The word has no meaning if you gotta be this way, because you know what it really says, and you know that you gotta run from what it says, because you know هذا مش هذه وهذه مش هذا والكتاب الماضي والكتاب المستقبل وبتعرفش إذا هذه ولا لا عشان مكتوب هذا الكتاب هذا الكتاب هذا معنى ذلك وذلك معنى هذا الكلام ملوش معنى. The words have no meaning. When this means that and that means this, it means that words have no meaning. Gotta go back to the foundation and know that there is a crack that's gonna fall apart. It's gonna fall apart. It's gonna fall apart when words have no meaning. And this means that, and that means this. That means the foundation is cracking.
Hey!
Go ahead.
Yeshua Akbarul Azim.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.